Hi guys, welcome to another video of this candlestick series. So in today's video we will be learning about something called inside candle, also known as bullish harami and bearish harami. So let's get started. So here guys, you can see here, this is how the pattern looks like. So generally it is actually known as an inside candle, but if it's formed for a bullish reversal, it is also known as bullish harami, and if it's formed for a bearish reversal, it is known as bearish harami. So forget about the name, forget about the color of the candles, understand the pattern, how it looks like. So generally what will happen, a candlestick will be formed. Just ignore the color for now. So a candlestick will be formed and the next candle will be completely inside it. So you can see this is the high and this is the low of this candle, and the next candle's high and low is within the complete high and low of the previous candle. You can see here also, this is the high and this is the low of the candle. The next candle's entire high and low is within the high and low of the previous candle. So that's the reason it is known as inside candle. You can see this candle is inside this candle, this candle is inside this candle. So how to trade them, I'll tell you. So let's just say if the market is in a downtrend, and after this downtrend inside candle is formed, then the chances are very high that if it's also the support or resistance area, the market will reverse from there. So how do you trade this? So as soon as the high of the inside candle is broken, you trade in the upward direction, keeping the stop loss of the previous candle. This is also known as mother candle. So what happens in a bearish inside candle or bearish Harami pattern? The market will be in an uptrend, and once a inside candle is formed, so as soon as the low of the inside candle is broken, you take a trade towards the downtrend, keeping the stop loss as the high of the mother candle. Yeah. So generally what happens in a downtrend, the color of the mother candle will be red and the inside candle will be green. However, this can be also be a red candle, a bearish candle. Similarly, in bearish inside candle also, the first candle will be green. The second candle, the inside candle, can be red or green. The color of the inside candle does not matter. What matters is that the candle is completely inside the mother candle, the previous candle. Yeah, I'll just show you some example for this. Here, you can see the market was clearly in a downtrend. After the downtrend, a inside candle was formed here. You can see this is the high and low of the mother candle, and this is the high and low of the inside candle. So the inside candle is completely inside the high and low of the mother candle. And as soon as the high of this candle was broken, the market took a uptrend, keeping the stop loss as the low of the mother candle. Let me just show you for a downtrend also. So here, as you can see, the market was completely in an uptrend. So as soon as this low of this inside candle was broken, the market reversed and went for a downtrend. Yeah. So this candlestick, the inside candlestick, is actually one of my favorite and one of the most powerful candlestick to trade on. The only thing is you have to identify when and at what level it is formed. So in the upcoming videos, we will be discussing about support, resistance, and so there are basically few more candlestick patterns left. After that, we will be going through the different types of support, resistance, and chart patterns, and simultaneously slowly I'll be also teaching you how to take up your first trade in the stock market. Yeah. So if you learned something from this video and if you really enjoyed it, please do like the video and subscribe to my channel, and if you have any kind of doubt or anything, please drop it down over the comment section. Yeah, thank you for watching.